Uba HM Shangpliang UMLA berem kamau senram uloong baka National People's Party kadeka parti kaban ai ka lawei ka basngan ka jalla Meghalaya. Yakne uba himau la kranchis ngi hadien bola petno na ka Bharatiya Janata Party bat pente bun letno saka NPP ha ka khatlai tere unai lur arja apulai. Kumban syukudo ba Himalaya men baudang deu khot jang ka yeng dor ba thau an ka jalla udeu ujukran bhai kimat ki bakata ai paj ba ka jalla par halor ka ne uloong baka jingdon jang u men tawat ka parti ka balam khmat ka sarkar kan ai lat island ti banaya kran shu ya kimat.
Joining the NPP, I have seen the leadership of Mr. Conrad Sangma. In this 5 years of government, 5 years of chief ministership, Mr. Conrad Sangma has brought drastic change in the state of Meghalaya. There has been a lot of development. We could see development coming and we could see more to come. And therefore, I thought that NPP is the only party of the state that perhaps could provide the people of the state the sense of security, the sense of development, and a future for the people of Meghalaya. Ka issue ki bang ïakren hapo da rataan chwa. Kinne kumjo. Hakato ko por nga ngalong unong mi khmat nakaliang persya. Nrementa nga ngalong udukot kapadon haka sorkar ya karuling. Telese kang kamsuk kamhasu menta bangan ra iki issue jong pa ba hakmat ung chief minister. Ban ya uta nong ikmat nakaliang persya. Tengang sutu bala da kabaya train ka sarkar. Dese kajing mentoy kan long yu pajba. Kajing mentoy kan long yu pajba. Namar balay ni don kam bangin ra iki issue jong pajba hakmat ka sarkar. Om dadai banda don hakaliang persya bangira ngila bandra iki issue nre kan kamsuk susu la ngi don haka sarkar bandra iki issue jong pajba hakmat jong chief minister but key minister.
Nalor ki khubor bo nya khonyak election MP Lok Sabha arja arpsau na Shillong seat daga tiket NPP uba Shangpliang uloong baka syong hakibor bahalor ka party bat ya kanhi patla ban ong ai.
I am joining the NPP without any conditions. I'm making it very clear to you.
Are you looking forward to contest Lok Sabha election?
Once I join the NPP, I will be a member of the party. And whatever the high command of the party finds me fit with a responsibility, I'm ready to shoulder that. I have never discussed Lok Sabha elections with Mr. Mauri. I have never even asked for a ticket, nor was there any discussions about some common candidate or something, which I have also seen in the YouTube, which he had mentioned. I need to clarify on that point because one fine morning I saw the headlines in the newspaper mentioning my name as a probable candidate of the Lok Sabha from the BJP party. Immediately I called up Mr. Dipayan Chakrabarti, who is the vice president of the state BJP, and I said, how is it without my knowledge that my name has come out in the press about being an MP candidate? Then the answer that I got was that we do not have any probable candidate or person except you, so that's why we thought we will nominate your name. So if they have discussed among themselves, I have nothing to say on that.